So I'm Hazrat, and I'm going to talk about our work on analysis of surgical videos using large language models. And this work is primarily done by my student Jamie. So we know that surgical video contains a lot of useful information, and for modern surgery, we now have a lot of robotic surgeries and laparoscopy, which are typically recorded. So it means that we have a lot of video data for surgical procedures, and it can be used in many useful and positive ways. For example, to analyze the surgical procedure for any errors in the surgical procedure, or to use it for medical and surgical education. So typically, AI researchers have been building domain-specific models for this task, and they are doing so far so good in terms of accuracy, not in terms of clinical transformation, of course. But we just wanted to try a lazy approach here. Let's use multimodal large language model. And the idea here is to identify the tissue that exists in the surgical video, and identify the surgical tool or the instrument, and to identify the current surgical action. So what we did was, after multiple iterations, multiple attempts, we developed a prompt, and we realized that instead of using a single prompt, if we embed context information, it does help the model to improve the performance. So we provide a bit of a context information where we try to teach the LLM about the context of the surgical procedure, about the tools, about the tissues, and following this, we then simply provide the analysis prompt, which is to identify the three different things. So for this work, we use the data from Strasbourg Hospital, France. This data is available. Anyone can request it and get it from them. So thanks to them. And it has like 50 endoscopy videos, and each video has around 200 to 300 frames. So we use some of these for initially training the model, but we then also evaluate it on the independent evaluation set. So we can talk about it more during the poster session, and I will wrap up here. Thank you.